Pulled pork on the Blackstone. Do what? Yep, I'm fixing to show you how to do it. You can put it on bread, make a sandwich, quesadillas, whatever you want, but it's good pulled pork. And I love it, and I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Just keep watching. All right, y'all, we're gonna get some of this butter and we're gonna melt it down. Well, I know y'all have never seen nobody cook pulled pork on the Blackstone, but I'm gonna show you right now. It's not what you think. It's simple. Set it and forget it. I'm gonna throw a little oil on here. I mean, I'm cooking it on this little one right here. You don't need that. You can do it on the big one. You can do it on the little one. A lot of time we camping and we do this, and it's it takes a couple hours to cook it, so just watch. First thing we're gonna do is knock this meat on there. Get on there. Yeah. Get my super duper hook. I usually like to do it this way and put the fat cap down. All right, y'all, we're gonna let it sear on each side. We're waiting on our butter to melt, and then we're gonna wrap it. We're gonna season it. Y'all just watch. All right, y'all, we're gonna sear it on all sides. So watch this. Our butter is melted, so we're gonna set it over here. Set it right there. I'm gonna get my little handy dandy thing. We're gonna stand this up. Look at there. Okay, y'all, come over here. I'm gonna show you the contraption I'm gonna mix up now. It's gonna be good. All right, y'all, watch this. Get a little hot. We're gonna put some of that Worcestershire sauce in here. Just a little bit. Well, we already got a half a stick of butter melted here. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce. It really gives it a different flavor with the soy. How I learned how to make this was just trial and error. You gotta get out here and try stuff. All right, we're gonna put some of this, a little bit of that. Now you can put as much hot sauce you want it or as less as you want. Or you don't even use it if you don't want. But this, you got to have. Okay, we're gonna take this. You notice I took the lid off. Oh, a little more won't hurt. Now, get my little spoon here and we're gonna mix this up, y'all. Making a pork butt like this, pulled pork, is something I do. Usually we're camping or doing something, or got 4 or 5 hours to kill, because it takes a little while to do this, but it's well worth the time. And see, the reason I got that butter hot and melted, now I put it in here with my Worcestershire sauce and my soy sauce and the other seasonings, but it's to let this seasoning melt. It's a little warm, so all my seasoning is melting, sticking together. Once we get it ready, we're gonna shoot it up with this. Now when you're shooting up with one of these things, let me show you what you need to do. Get you some of this spray oil or regular oil. Give it a shot, okay? That'll make this thing last forever. See how easy it is? Now you couldn't stick it in there a while ago. But now when I get ready, I can shoot this up and everything can be easy. All right, we're gonna move it over a little bit. We're gonna get some oil, put it up here. Look at all this oil that's coming off of here, y'all. Ooh-wee. All right, come on over here. Come on, big boy, turn over. That's a good boy. We bought this one at the grocery store, this pork butt, but hey, many times we used to butcher our own hogs. A lot of times around here we shoot wild hogs, and that is really good to eat. Is that looking good already or what? I'm telling y'all, y'all ain't believing how this is gonna be. It's gonna be super good. Super good. All right, y'all, this thing looking pretty good here. I think I'm gonna cut it off and show y'all the next step. Oh yeah. Oh, y'all, I can't wait. This is gonna be super good. All right, this thing done cooled down a little bit. What we're gonna do, we're gonna rub it with some mustard. Mustard is good, y'all. And you think you're gonna taste it? It don't matter if you don't like mustard, don't worry about it. You can still use it because you will not taste it. All right, y'all, we're gonna put just a little bit right there. That's a lot in it. What this is a binder, helps your seasoning stay on there. I like to rub it in real good. When it's ready, it's gonna be super good. Oh, gotta wash them again. It's good enough to eat now, but we ain't ready yet, y'all. Come here. You gotta get your sauce. Suck it up. Dang it, this one ain't working right. Just let me go look. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Sorry about that, but we got it. Always in a will, if there's a way. If there's a way, there's a will. Still got to spray it, y'all. Put that slippery stuff on it. Oh yeah. Ha! Ah! And we're gonna shoot this thing up pretty good, y'all. Gonna put all this stuff in it. And with the butter and everything else in it, it helps keep it kind of tender. Now this is gonna have a couple hours to cook through, so it's gonna really do good. Now we're gonna dump this on the outside too. Watch this, y'all. Coat it. Now with that mustard on there, see that? Get all them little cracks and crevices. That mustard, come and let it stay on there. And keep your seasoning on there. You gotta make sure you get that everywhere. All the sides, everywhere, the little crevices. All right, y'all, we got that part. Now this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna set that right there. You know I gotta wipe my hands again. I tell you, paper towels is a friend when you got a Blackstone. Now that's what we're gonna do, right at first. We're gonna tear us a big old piece of this off of here. Is that big enough? Nah. Let's go all the way with it. All right. You wait right there. Come on, get over here. I like to set it about like that. When you wrap it like this, it keeps the moisture in. And that's what you want. And if you got that moisture in, it steams up in here and it just makes the meat fall apart. That's it. Now y'all come over here, I'll show you something else you have to do. See all this oil on here? It's got to go. You don't want all this oil on here all day. I'm gonna try to pull it over here, push it off to the back. The reason I'm getting rid of all this oil is because it's gonna smoke, make all kind of smoke all day. So we're not gonna do that. It's gonna make a burnt smell once it sits there a couple hours. So I'm gonna clean this off pretty good. Now, once I get it clean, I'm gonna put some water on it, really get it, the oily part off. We got most of the oil off. Now we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. Next step, pretty simple. This is just a warming rack Blackstone gut, and you can use the legs or not. Right for this recipe, I'm not using the legs. We're gonna set it down on here, just like this. We're gonna turn this one on low, turn that one off. Make sure you get this put down good. Put this. All right. Shut it. That's it. Come back in about 3 hours, you'll be ready to eat. All right, y'all. This has been in here about 3.5, 4 hours, something like that. The longer you let it sit, the better it's gonna be. We're gonna stuck a thermometer in there just to see. I know it's ready though. Got it on low. We're gonna cut it off now. Cause we through cooking, y'all. It's been on here all day. Now watch how tough it is. Oh. Oh, 180. You know it's right. It's cooked, it's good. Y'all, fixing to get this. As soon as I find my spatulas, there we go. Watch what we're gonna do here, y'all. Come on. Set it right there. We're gonna start unwrapping this thing, y'all. It'll take a few minutes. See all that juice? Oh my goodness. Ball it up. Let it sit. Do it again. Ball it up. Let it sit. Do it again. Oh. All right, we didn't need that anyway. Now, I know what y'all thinking. Well, how you gonna make pulled pork out of something you pull off of a Blackstone? I'm going to show y'all something right here. We're gonna break it apart, y'all. We're gonna cut this up in little pieces. All right, y'all, look at that. We're just tearing this apart like this. All right, we're gonna cut this. I need something. I got it out there. All right, just gonna get it. Oh yeah. Chop it up. Turn it this way. I guess y'all know what's next. Sweet baby rays. We're gonna get some of these Hawaiian buns out of here, y'all. Get a couple of them going. Break them apart. We're gonna get the knife, the little knife this time. Give it a slice. All right, y'all, we're just gonna cut these up. Put them right there. Y'all, put that there. Juice them up a little more with this sweet baby rays. You mix this. If you ain't got it all, you can give it another little chop. Go. Now ain't that gonna be good? Woo. All right, y'all, I think this is ready for a sandwich. What y'all think? Gonna put some on this. I'm using this sweet baby rays because that's what I had, that's what I like. You put anything on here except coleslaw. Some people do eat it on the side though. All right, y'all, we ready to eat this. We're missing one little thing. I think I got something in my pocket. Oh yeah, I do. What? Pickles. This is some Cajun gator pickles, y'all. You gotta have gator pickles on these things. They're gonna be good, yeah. Watch this. Y'all, these are spicy. I'm gonna do that again. Come on, get out now. Okay. Now, that's the deal. Oh, golly. Oh, my goodness. Y'all, I did it again. Throw it in there, wrap it, throw it back in there, put it on low, and just let it go all day. Y'all, pulled pork barbecue. Hey, you can do it on Blackstone. Told you.